So this here bush is, I don't like the positioning of it, and it's been here since I've lived in this house. Not sure how long it's been here, but today I'm going to attempt to relocate it from this particular spot, which is right at the front door, to a different spot. So first I'm going to start by loosening up the dirt all the way around it, and then going to pull it out and replant it in the new location. I have dug all the way around down here at the bottom, as you see, and I've also used a toe strap to kind of compress the bush together so I can get all the way around it as much as possible. It's kind of difficult to get because of the corner here of the house, but I've gotten pretty much all the way around the other parts of it. So now what I'm trying to do is to strap it up to the vehicle and yank it out. Alright, so the bush has been yanked out. This is the outcome. So what I'm going to do is to fill this back in. Obviously kick was there back down. It did rain yesterday, and it hadn't really rained, but this is a shaded spot, so it's usually easier to pull the bushes out if the ground that the bush is in is wet. So keep that in mind. So yeah, like I say, we got to fill this back in, especially right there under the downspout where the drain goes, or the splash, whatever you call that thing, goes, so that it's elevated so that it drains the water out away from the foundation. And yeah, so now I have greater visibility to the street and can see the front door from the street, which is what I was shooting for with this. So that is the root ball for this particular bush. And so yeah, I'm just planted in the new spot that it's going to go in, and that'll be it. So I just realized as I was looking at this dirt here, somebody lost their fingernail polish in the greater outdoors. We'll see if it has a date on it. That would be pretty interesting to see how long it was out there. Don't see a date on here, but you see made in Hudson, New York, and it's managed to survive, red in color and whatnot. Yeah, you'll be amazed sometimes what you find when you start digging in your own yard. Alright, so now I'm gonna really go ahead and try to fill this dirt back in here.